how to find drafts on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you find drafts from your Instagram account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Instagram app with your account. Alright, so after you open the Instagram app with your account, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. And now from the profile section, you'll have to tap on this video icon. Okay, so from this section, you'll be able to find all of your drafts on your Instagram account. So simply tap on this draft section. Alright, so from this draft section, you'll be able to find every drafts on your Instagram account. So simply you can choose one draft from here. And now from here, you can also edit that draft by clicking on this edit option just at the top right corner of the screen. Okay, so from here you can edit this video, and after you done this from here, you'll have to just tap on this arrow icon just at the top right corner. Okay, so from here you can add the caption or hashtag, and you can also post the video from your draft. So this is the process to find drafts on your Instagram account. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.